Hello all, welcome to the official demo of Ultimate POS. In today's demo, we will look into adding up shipments or like adding a home delivery service for particular orders. So let me go to the Ultimate POS demo screen. Here I will log in with the restaurant module or the restaurant login. So it will work in any of these logins. Let me just give a demo on this restaurant module. So I will go to the POS screen. In the POS screen, I will add different products which are ordered by the customer. So after I have added all these different products, I will click on the shipping. Here we have a shipping button. In the shipping button, we have a shipping details. I can enter the shipping details of the customer or like the address where the customer wants this particular order to be delivered or any of the shipping details here. I will enter the shipping charges if we have any shipping charge, and we have to select the shipping status. Like selecting the shipping status is required over here. So you can select the shipping status as ordered, packed, shipped, delivered, or cancelled. Let me select it as ordered over here. So after I have selected the order, I will click on the payment button, and the payment is done. So after the payment has been done, let me go to the shipments menu. Inside sales, we have the shipments menu. In the shipments menu, you can see like list of all the orders which are to be delivered to the customer. Here we have a shipping status. So shipping status is ordered for this particular order. So let me click on this shipping status, and in the shipping status, after like this particular order has been shipped, I can click on the delivered and update it. And here we can also enter like the person to whom this particular order is delivered. Me enter as the John, update. So this shipping status will get updated to delivered. And also we can print a packaging slip from here. Here we have an option to print the packaging slip. So like in the packaging slip, it will only have the product name and the quantities. So price and all those different things will not be mentioned over here. And another thing which we can do is like we can assign particular like shipments to some different service staffs. So if suppose we have a delivery boy or like we have some different, so we can assign the shipping to service staffs. So here we have to select the service staff over here. Let me select the service staff as Kevin, and I will follow the same procedure. I will select the shipping status as ordered. I will enter some shipping details over here. I will enter the shipping charges, update, and guess. So after this has been done, I will click on this. I will refresh the screen, and in this screen you can see like it's showing me the service staff as Kevin. So the Kevin will be the person who will be responsible for delivering this particular order to the customer. He can print the packaging slip from here, and he can, after he has delivered the order, he can select the shipping status as delivered. And also like the service staff, we can filter by service staff over here and the shipping status over here, ordered, different shipping status over here. So let us look into how we can add this service staff in Ultimate POS. So to add the service staff, we have to go to the contacts. We have to go to the users, and in users we have roles. In the roles, we have to add a role. So like I have added a role called as the delivery person. So let me edit this role and show you what's the permission for this role. And in this role, I have given a permission, like the role name is delivery person. The permission assigned is service staff, and here we are in the sales section we have given access for the shipments. So whenever any users having the role of delivery person, he will log in, he will see all the different shipments which are assigned to them. So that's all in the delivery section or like the shipments feature for Ultimate POS. Hope you find it useful. Do subscribe to this channel to receive all the different demos related to Ultimate POS. Thank you.